Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair critical process died error in Windows. To start, click Start and choose Settings. Here in System, click on Recovery. Now in Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Confirm this action so that the system starts in this mode. Wait for Windows to restart. After this, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options and finally select Startup Repair. You will wait for the system to perform the boot analysis to rule out errors. If you cannot achieve this, click on Advanced Options. Then click on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, and finally select Command Prompt. First, run the command Bootrec/fixmbr to repair the registry. After that, run the command Bootrec/fixboot to repair the startup. It is possible to list the options to use. To do this, execute the command on the screen. After this, do a file system scan, run sfc/scanO, press enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here, wait for the analysis to be completed. Finally, scan the hard drive, execute the command on the screen. Wait for each stage to finish. When finished, run Exit to close the terminal. Click Continue to log into the system. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.